Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to create a perfect Telegram channel for your business. So head over to Telegram, and in here we are going to be clicking on this pencil icon from the bottom right side of our screen, and you can see we have this option to create a new channel. Click on that, and now you're going to be entering your channel name. You can also enter your business name as well. So once you do that, click on this check mark, and now you're going to be making this public, and you're going to be making a public link with your business name as well. So you can simply type in here anything and then click on this check mark, and then you can add your members. So that's how you can create your business channel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.